Guys, you know who I just saw in this park? Guys, you know who I just saw? I just saw Binky Drinky in this park, guys. That is actually crazy. I cannot believe this. Alright, let's go. Guys? What was that? Guys, where do you think Binky Drinky could be, guys? Guys, I just saw him in this park. I swear, guys. Guys, Binky Drinky is apparently this character from this one game that just dropped, like just a few days ago. This game is called Dark Pals, guys, and I'm gonna be completely honest, I have not seen anything from the game. But the one thing that I do know is that Corey Kenshin is in this game, guys. Like, that's crazy, guys, but where do you guys think Binky Drinky, yeah, Binky Drinky could have went? Is Binky Drinky in this trash can, guys? Nope, that's disgusting. Alright, guys, I swear I saw Binky Drinky, guys. I promise to you, by the end of this video, guys, we will find Binky Drinky. By the end of this video, we will. There's no way I'm letting this video end without that. But for that, guys, I need you to smash that like button with your fingernail. That's your challenge for today. So I'll count you down. Smash that like button with your fingernail, guys. In 3, wait, that's the wrong. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, guys, you can actually do it. You actually can smash that like button with your fingernail. I can't believe it, guys. Some of you guys didn't smash that like button. I'm coming for you. Anyways, guys, let's continue looking for Binky Drinky. Do you think he could have gone into these bushes? All I know about it is he's like a fat guy with like a drink for his head. So yeah, that's pretty strange, guys, but I have no idea where he could be, guys. He's not hiding over there in the playset, is he? No, I don't think he is. This is, by the way, broad daylight. I usually do videos at 3 a.m., but I just spotted him in broad daylight. Should we go up on this? You know, I'm going to try and slide down. Oh, it's hard to climb up this. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Alright, guys, I finally got up. Alright, guys, if you still did not smash that like button, smash that like button right now, and I'm gonna go down this slide. Let's go, guys. Alright. Hope you guys smash that like button. Oh, bro, I'm getting older, man. I haven't been on a slide for so long. This is too tight for me. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's try and go down this slide, guys. Let's go. Yo. Oh my gosh, guys. Bro, something fall out of my pocket. Alright, guys. The slide is not a portal to another dimension, guys. We just had to get that one out of there, guys. We just had to make sure that that's clear, guys. But where do you think... I already forgot the name of this thing. What do you think? Oh yeah, Binky. Where do you think Binky Drinky could have gone? This Binky? Oh. Cute kitty on I'm gonna step away because you're giving me a mean face. I don't want no trouble. Look at that kitty, guys, over there. Kitty? Kitty? Do you know anything about... Guys, I think the kitty spotted BINKY Drink. I think the kitty spotted him here, guys. But guys, do you think BINKY Drinkosity lives in one of those houses, guys? Oh my gosh, something just fell on my eye. Wait, what the flip? What just fell? Something just fell from that tree on my eye. Imagine BINKY Drinky was in that tree, guys. Okay. I don't know where to look in this park anymore. You're not here. You're not here. Oh, I haven't been on these play structures for a long time, guys. This is like back into childhood, guys. If you still haven't smashed that like button, smash that subscribe button. We will be finding BINKY Drinkosity Expentosity in this video, guys. And guys, Corey Kenshin is also in that game, so I definitely recommend you to play it. Also, I don't know if I recommend you to play it, since I haven't seen anything from it. It could be a bad game, I don't know. But I think, why don't we take a better look at the area where the, what's it called? The freaking slide is. Maybe we missed something that's up there. I don't know, let's try it. Alright guys, it's time to go up to the slide. I'm gonna try using this time. I think I'm just basically just messing around in this park. Nothing actually crazy that I'm doing. Oh, bro, I'm falling, guys. Oh my gosh, bro, what the flip? What the flip? What the flip, guys? What did I just trip on? What did I just trip? Yo, what the? I tripped on a USB? What the heck, guys? There's a USB here. And I just tripped on this USB, guys. Wait, what? How is that even possible? Do you think, guys, one of the Dark Pals left this USB here for whoever finds it? Maybe BINKY Drinkosity could have left this right here, guys. Alright, guys. I genuinely don't know what the... Yo! I don't know if I caught that on camera. Bro, guys, I just saw BINKY Drinky running over there. Oh my gosh. Wait, where did he go? Hold on, I'm gonna go follow him. I'm gonna go in the direction that he went. And I'll see you guys there. Guys, oh my gosh, guys. I think Sticky Piggy went over there. Let's go, guys. What the Sigma? Yo, guys, I think this is where Licky Sticky went. Do I see someone down there? I'm gonna go down. Oh my gosh. I think this is where... I think this was where he went, guys. Is this unlocked? It's not. It's not unlocked. Okay. He must have went somewhere else, guys. Bro. What the flip? What the flip? Oh my gosh. Guys, it's Inky, Brinky, Pinky, Stinky. Guys, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the mud's here. Guys, BINKY Drinky. Guys, if you want me to do another video where I go through this USB and see what it has at home, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and to never miss another video, turn on that notification bell, all post notifications, guys. As for now, there's 2 videos on screen right now. You can click one of them that interests you most. If none of them interest you, click on my channel, and I'm sure you'll find something there. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.